She cries a lot, huh?
Yeah.
I think she's talking to you.
What?
She wants you to talk to her.
What, honey? What do you mean?
She needs kisses.
That's good.
She's trying to hit you. Look, she's trying to get you.
Oh no.
Oh no, we better do something.
We need a pacifier to do it.
How about we give her hugs? No, I think she's ready for breakfast. Okay, love you, Emma.
Love you.
You sing her a song. Sing her sunshine. Hurry, sing her sunshine.
You're my sunshine. You make me happy. You guys are great. You never know, dear. Yes, I love you. So take my sunshine away.
Okay, kiss her. Do you think she might be hungry?
No,
Oh, I think she's ready for some milk.
I think so.
You think so, huh?
People.
Okay. You love your baby?
Yeah.
Mommy's gonna feed her, okay?